Alrighty, our fuel rail is installed and it's charged up. As you can see, we got 2 bar, so a lot less than what you would want, because that's only about 28-30 psi. So you probably want to be around 3 bar, but we've just set it to an arbitrary point on it. We went with China ORB adapters to a 1/8 MPT that we drilled out so it had a bigger inner bore, because those are a high pressure hydraulic one, so they're a thicker schedule. But yeah, we were able to drill it out with a 6.5 mil drill bit. We put it to the l28e fuel pressure regulator, put on a bit of an angle, and then yeah, we went on that side. We went -8 ORB to a 1/4 inch MPT female on the adapter, and then we went 5/16 barb to a 1/4 inch male MPT. So yeah, the fuel lines run under the rail. We're gonna zap strap them to there. It's not the prettiest. I mean, there's probably some regs in that wouldn't let you have that much soft line, but we'll be fine, and we'll deal with it if it ever becomes an issue. But yeah, inside the car, we were gonna run new fuel lines, but I kind of said fuck it after looking with the gauge of wire. So we kind of filleted the harness there, got to it, and cut it at a spot where we can run it to the relay board once we finalize that in. As I mean, the relay board is probably going to go somewhere in here-ish, or maybe back firewall, or maybe we'll make something nice. We can always move this ECU up higher and then maybe mount this to there, or we could even just go off the bracket that has that and mount it there. I mean, it's not that critical of a thing. Could even maybe go glove box and just kind of mount it in there. Might not be a criminal idea. Honestly, we could just Velcro it in there, as long as we got a hole for the wires to go in. Although now that I say that, I mean, I don't know what any of this is. So it goes back in. Oh, a new injector. Cherry lipstick. Yeah, no, running this big old connector through the glove box that's not broken seems like a unwise idea. So yeah, we'll figure out somewhere to mount it. Maybe up there or up there. It's not that big of a deal. It'd honestly be nice if we just deleted that fuse panel, but we're not going to do that. If you have any suggestions of where to put it, and you've done this before, I mean, put it down below, and I'll definitely read it and give it some thought. But yeah, that's probably it for now. Finalizing the fuel rail install definitely took a little bit longer than I hoped, and I'm hungry now. So yeah, I will see you guys later.